the majority of people, despite the fact that many of them do look cosmetically enhanced or done or over augmented, it's actually not the look they're seeking out. It's
I agree with that.
In their mind,
yeah,
that they don't realize they look like that.
That first question.
Yeah, so this was really to sort of try and say, well, exactly, who actually loves this Kim Kardashian look? Like, really, we want to see this. And again, I was really, really surprised because, as you know, the majority of the patients in the study, or the bigger groups, were the sort of under 35s. And I only had 5.7% of people say that this described them well. So I went, well, let's break that down a little bit. And in our sort of Gen Z group, which is the age bracket up to 24 years, so these are the 18 to 24-year-olds, I still only had 12% say that this described them well. So you love the cosmetically enhanced and done look. Only 12% of the youngest age group said yes, which, again, like really, really surprised me. And I think what I take from this is that, you know, the majority of people, despite the fact that many of them do look cosmetically enhanced or done or over augmented, it's actually not the look they're seeking out. It's
I agree with that.
In their mind,
yeah,
that they don't realize they look like that. And that's either because it's normalized around them and they think that's still natural, or they are trying to achieve something else and end up kind of that sort of repeating those same treatments over and over. And I find this a lot. You know, someone will go and have their cheeks and lips done and they look great. And so they think, well, to look more great, I must just need a bit more. And they have a bit more done. And they think, oh, yeah. And then they go back to the same injector who only does cheeks and lips. And they say, do I need more? And the injector goes, yeah, you need more because they're there. What else are they going to say? They can't give them anything else if that's their skill set. So they'll do more. And it's just this perception drift where they don't realize that they've drifted into odd looking rather than the beautiful or beautified look that they were after.
Thanks so much for watching the podcast clip. You can listen to the whole audio episode of the podcast on your favorite podcast app, on Apple Podcasts or Spotify. And please also leave us a review on the podcast app.
If you like what we do, please smash the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when we release new content.